Remember, get your voting ticket on the WBCA booth for the People's Choice. You can get a vote for the People's Choice.